Gutter rat. Joey the rat. Joey the snitch. Joey the loser. Boy, man, you try to act so tough, man. Like you put hands on people, and you literally just said on camera, "I'm going to go to the police on you." Bro, you really are just a pussy. That's all you are is a pussy, man. Your minion rats are pussies too. Cause they following you, bro. They gotta be just as pussy or more of a pussy than you are. I've never truly seen a man so soft in my life, but act like he's tough at the same time. What tough guy says he's going to he take you to the police station? Man, just stop it, man. You're not tough. That's what's so frustrating with you, man. You're not tough. You're not nothing. And you did not get no $1,000 check in the middle of the night. So, in the middle of the night, this job, this mailed you $1,000 check in the middle of the night, and you cashed it already by Saturday morning at like 6 in the morning. You cashed it already, and don't try to lie and say you deposited into your checking account. You don't have a checking account. You don't have a check for $1,000. Why do you, man, bro? You gonna get killed because somebody think you got money, and they gonna say you better go to your bank and take all the money out and give it to us, or we gonna kill you. And know what you gonna say? I don't have no account. I don't have no money in the bank. And they gonna say, no, you're lying, because you always be on YouTube talking about how much money you got. See how that works? Joy the nut job. Joy the loser. You see how that works? When you lie, bro, your lie catches up with you because people start saying to themselves, he got money, so I'm gonna go rob him. And your dumb butt is lying out here so bad that you gonna get your butt killed, bro. And I cannot, and you know what? And I'm not lying to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. I kind of can't wait for you to get hurt real bad. I don't wish harm on nobody, but you, bro, you deserve it. You deserve everything that's coming to you. Cause you lying, man. Why you lying? And then, and you know what? You gotta have the dumbest followers on this planet, because if they believe that you got up at some 6 in the morning and got a check at 6 in the morning by your job at 6 in the morning, gave you a check at 6 in the morning, and you went and cashed it, man, I know, do something. So let me try this again. You got $1,000 check at 5 in the morning now. 5 in the morning. All of a sudden, you got $1,000 check. No proof of it. No bank statement. No pay stub. But you got $1,000 check though, with absolutely no proof of it. Absolutely no way or sound that you got $1,000 check on top of your $600 check, as you say you got, which is a lie. And second, stop calling your little rat room rent. It ain't nothing but a hotel room with a TV, and you pay for 2 days. Well, that's like $115. Because you ain't paying no more than like $60 a day for it. And what you do when somebody try to give you advice, you act like somebody slapped you. You are so dumb, man. You the person in the movie that when help comes, you say no because you think you're a genius, and then when they try to ask you again, like, let's go, man, you about to get caught, man, they coming, they gonna kill you. You say in the movie, you say, I ain't worried about them. I know them. Plus, I'm a thug, this and that. Then when you look back in the movie, and they see your butt hanging from a rope with your legs tied up and your gut spilling out because they killed your simple butt. Because you just dumb. You just dumb. The best one I heard you say is, rich people spend their money. That's what rich people do, man. They spend their money. So let me understand this then. How do they become millionaires then? How do they get so successful in life if they spending everything they make? Soon as they come in, I don't need no narrator. I don't understand that. I know. Listen, you're part of it. You're part of it. You know that. Kiss. Like. Okay, back to you, loser. I'm just talking to my love, my baby, my second heartbeat. So, anyway, loser, that you had never experienced that. You had never experienced true love. True love. I ain't talking about that sissy crap. Like, Suze, I seen you. You were my love. Suze, I seen you. I loved you. You know what that tells me? That your butt never been with a woman. You have obsessed with that chick. Actually, only a couple of months of messing around. Jesus, man. No wonder she left. She ran from you. You a stalker, man. You a stalker. You a loser. You are a complete loser, bro. But I'm gonna tell you this. My version of true love is when you can turn your back and you need to get things done with your kids, with your family, and it gets done no matter what. When your kids never go hungry, even if you homeless for a few days, and you still make sure your kids get food. That's true love. True love is when you can literally sit in a room with your loved one, with your husband or your wife, and y'all have to say not one word to one another, and y'all speaking the whole time just by looking at each other. That's true love. True love is that woman, that man or woman that maybe having a hard time. Maybe they lost his job. He or she lost their job, or he or she got a broken leg, or he or she got something disgusting that happened to their body, and that he or she is up all night with you, making sure you don't feel bad. You ain't hurting for nothing. That's the true love I'm talking about. A true love when a person might have a substance problem or alcoholic or something like that, and your loved one just says, we go ride together or we go die together. That's the love I'm talking about. That's the love that if y'all arguing, fighting, drag out, fight, saying nasty things to one another, but soon a bigger issue pop up, the fight stops. It stops immediately, and you go to handling that situation. That's the true love I'm talking about. The true love that you would never have because you ain't man enough to have the whereabout to be mentally strong. So you're mentally weak. That's why you make lines up. That's why you make this persona up that you're bigger than life. But you are so dumb. Do you know by doing that, saying that, you this, you the Messiah this, you this and that? Do you know it's just you setting yourself up for a colossal fall? Because you do know, dumb, loser, low life, piece of dirt bag. All your lives gonna come back, bro. It's this little saying I told my kids that, and I have to tell you because, to be honest with you, I don't know who's older, my 14-year-old or my 18-year-old. I don't know who's older, you or them. You a 30-year-old bum. A bum. You literally have proven to me time and time again that you will do and say anything to keep having reason to come back on YouTube. You are just the epitome of what you should never do and be like in life. Bro, you literally woke up the next day to say you got $1,000 check. And then say you pull out all those ones and say they're not all ones. See, when you say something like that, it's the opposite. Because that ahead, when you flash your little teenage stack of money, you call it, you had nothing but ones up front. That's how dumb you are. You are that dumb where you would say, this ain't all ones, neither, sucker. But the first dollar we see is $1 bill. Not a 20, not a 50, not 100. $1. You just give me material to the point where it's just like I can store them for later. I bet when growing up, man, I bet that faggot of a father of yours, oh, disgusting faggot, mess around with little boys. And you talking about you like your father. You are like your father. You're both faggot pussies. That's what y'all are. You know, I got kids. I couldn't imagine somebody touching my kids like that. And then finding out the faggot son is glorifying him, is glorifying a guy that literally mess with kids. Bro, you are the epitome of evil. And I ain't talking about good evil, meaning tough evil, like you tough, you can beat up any. No, you're that evil that sits in the back room, type stuff and say stuff. And then when it's time to pay the piper, you blame everybody but yourself. That's the evil you are. You could start a war and then you would back off and act like you don't know what they talking about. So that's why I'm gonna put all my resources in making sure you pay all your sins that you have put on us and put on everybody out here. Bro, back to this phony check you said you had. Like I said yesterday, you have no proof whatsoever that you got that money. You got $1,000 check, you got a $600 check. You have no proof. And no, dumb, you did not show nobody a video of you walking into the bank doing it. I just find it funny that you say you don't listen to nobody's stuff, but boy, you know everything I'm saying though. All of a sudden you got a check to show. Yesterday, what did I talk about yesterday? That you have no proof of what? Anything you say you do or have. You showed me a bank statement that says Joey the Rat sneeze, account, blah, 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 and amount in it. And I would shut up. I would shut up and not want to say one word to you. I'm like, you haven't even showed a pay stub. See, bro, see, if people out here don't know, what Labor Ready do is they give you a card, a debit card. You activate that card because every day you work, you got to take your timesheet to Labor Ready. They get it, they put it in a computer, and about 5-10 minutes later, they load your money up on your card. Now, you always just have 20s or 10s and a butt ton of nasty looking ones. See, what you do is you take money off the card. You either take it all off the card or you leave some on the card to get 1s and 5s like a child, literally like a child, to show people what you have. Do you know, you say you're from the streets, but you are so far from the streets it ain't even funny, because if you're from the street, you would never know how much money the next person will have sitting on the block or sitting at the apartment. You'll never know how much money they got. Never. They never flash it. They never show you. And you know what, bro? You have no idea about the hood. Nothing about that hood. Nothing. My wife got more hood credential than you do. My wife could run game on you without even me having to tell her how to do it. You don't have no idea about that life. Because if you did, you wouldn't be so loud. You loud, bro. You loud. Loud like you're talking too much. You running your mouth too much. You showing too much. You will get caught by the cops because you are too loud. And you would never get respect from the hood because you're too loud. And secondly, you a snitch, because only snitches talk about going to the cops all the time. Fight your battles or get the F out of the kitchen. If you can't handle it, get the F out of the kitchen. Because you ain't about this crap, bro. And it ain't cute being about it neither. That's how I know you really ain't about this life, because you would know firsthand that that life is not fun. It is a miserable life. I would never go back to that life. Never. It is so unforgiving, because every day in the hood, it is somebody around the corner that's plotting to rob you. And if they think you soft like you are soft, you getting got. And you know what? And another thing, bro, I never seen a thug scared to wear his necklace. You scared to wear it outside to the real neighborhood because you know, one, is fake, and two, if people don't know it's fake, they go rob you for it. And you know it because you're a straight pussy. You're a pussy boy. That's what you are, a pussy boy that ain't about this life. Because you scared of your own skin. You scared of your own shadow. You can't fight, bro. You can't, bro. You go get your tail whooped just because you run your own mouth. That is going to be a beautiful thing watching you take L's. So once again, stop lying, bro. Stop lying about this money you got. You about to be broke in the next day or two. And then you know what's going to happen? You're going to be right back on here begging for donations, getting mad at that idiot Wolford dude who's nothing but a bum too. That's the only thing me and your loser butt will ever agree upon, is that dude is a bum. Van life means AKA I'm homeless, AKA I'm broke, AKA I'm a bum and a loser. I'm a 50-something-year-old man that stopped being a man and started acting like a child. That's what both of y'all two giblet heads did. And you know what? And the thing about it, he just older than you. But mentally, y'all are the same age. Mentally, y'all like 17. Y'all 17 years old because neither one of y'all ever say to yourself like, I'm older and it's only me and my woman or just me. How about I get a studio apartment or a 1-bedroom apartment, little cheap little thing, go month to month. That's what neither one of y'all two ever think. And you, Joey the Rat, literally act like saving $200 was beneath you. Bro, you're walking around with a girl ring on your finger and boasting about it. You are wearing a gay ring, bro. You are wearing a woman's ring and you are boasting about it. I have never witnessed that in my life. Man. And then you be showing it like, yeah. And that's why I say your little minion rats are worse than you because they are sucking it up, thinking it's real. Thinking everything come out your mouth is real. And they don't realize you are giving them those stupid wrenches things because you want them to do your dirty work. Because you want them to take out all the negative stuff that is telling the truth so you can look good. And they're so dumb and they doing it. They are doing it like, thank you, man. Mad respect, man. Thank you, gutter rat. Thank you. But giblet head, when they get off the internet from you, they probably turn around talking to their family how much a loser you are. And probably just say, well, I just talk to him because it passes time and I get amazed by all the bull crap that comes out of his mouth. Bro, you are just dumb. And I told you, bro. I told you. I'm never going to stop until you're off this. Because you know what? That'd be one less evil individual in this world. Because we got enough evil in this world. We got too much evil. And you know what? I like smiling. Because that's just one less evil person in this world. Because, bro, you know what? I go to everybody. When I'm walking around, I go in stores and stuff. I got a smile on my face, and I tell them, whoever I run into, smile. We got enough evil in this world. Because you know what, bro? I'm sincere about mine. I've been through the struggles. I'm not going to sit here and act like I've been through more struggles than anybody else like you do all the time. You act like your problems is bigger than everybody else in the world. That's one mistake people make by not listening to you for real. You're nothing but a sucker, bro. You're nothing but a little pussy. You're a woman, man. You know what? That's an insult to women, to be honest with you. So I take that back, women. I'm sorry. I'll never put him on y'all level. Because he never going to be on your level. You don't have no level. Your level is you what the devil farts out. Yeah, you swamp water. You that stinking water that literally be like, you walk in the right path, like, man, what's that smell? It stinks, man. Why it smell like this? Oh. Then you see the loser's gutter rat coming out the woods. And you say, oh, look at the smell. It's that loser right there. That's what you are, man. You are that. You always act like your problems is bigger than everybody else's. And you know what? To your gutter rat minions, open your mother effing ears. He don't talk about nothing but himself. He doesn't like none of y'all. And he only like y'all is when y'all doing something for him. But you know what? Baby. But you know what, y'all? Y'all deserve it because he keeps doing it and doing it and doing it. And y'all keep letting him. So I'm going to say this for the last time. Open up y'all freaking ears. And listen, the man will put you down in a heartbeat if you ain't doing something for him. If you ain't talking for him. He is a con man, a bad con man, because he's broke as a joke and he don't even know how to shop. You got a couple dollars in your pocket. You don't go buy a freaking fake necklace or a fake ring or a microphone or a computer or a little corny laptop. You don't go buy that. What you go buy is, let me get a month pass for the bus. Or matter of fact, let me get a 2-month pass for a bus. Cause then I ain't got to worry about this for darn near 2 months. And second, let me see about maybe going a little grocery shopping, getting things that you don't have to necessarily put in the refrigerator. No, this is what you do, loser. You go to restaurants, pay $21 for a meal that could have got you food for 2 weeks. And second, you don't even leave a tip and then make an excuse for why you ain't need a tip, but you got all this money. All this money. No, it doesn't tell me, man, you are nothing but a god dang low life excuse making pussy, man. That's all you are. You're just a grimy, broke maggot. You are the worst of the worst. You run your mouth under your breath because you ain't man enough to say it out loud because you know you'll get your tail whooped. You won't ever be a man and stand up for what's right or wrong. Because you know what? You are the reason everything is wrong on the internet. The internet have created low-life scumbags like you and Charlie. Y'all two, you can literally put y'all two next to each other when don't have no picture of y'all. Just listen to y'all talk. And I guarantee you this, you cannot pull y'all apart. You might pull y'all two apart by y'all voices, but if it was a way to cover up the voices and just heard y'all talk, you couldn't pull y'all apart. Neither one of y'all. And you know what? I'll never say this again, man. But I really truly think my mother-in-law is tougher than you and Charlie. And trust me, me and that woman hate each other. But I can tell you this, she's tougher than you and Charlie. Bro, you know, I can't wait till this little money thing completely blow up in your face. It could blow up in your face today if somebody really listened and asked the right questions to you and make you show us a bank statement, this money and everything else. That Tiffany Draper chick, she know about you. That's why you threaten a woman, man. You threaten a woman because she's exposing your sorry self. What type of man threatens a woman? Threatens a woman and then try to say you for women. Right. Stop with the lies, man. Oh, yeah, an activist. You're nothing. You, man, just stop. I'm for real, man. I got a daughter. I will murder you if you ever put your hands on my daughter. I will straight murder you, bro. And ain't no catching. I ain't about to say I catch your body because I want to say the coolest thing in the book for, the books for dummies. How to have swag for dummies. No, this ain't no swag book. This ain't no trying to sound like a rapper. This is a father, a dad. I will murder you, man, if you ever touch my daughter or my wife. You know what, man? My wife, you know, we have no perfect marriage. But tell me, who has a perfect marriage? If you show me a person with a perfect marriage, I'm gonna ask you, which one of y'all lost y'all character, lost your identity? Because it ain't no perfect marriage, nowhere. So I'm gonna tell you this, bro. I'm not getting off this, bro. until your butt be exposed and be a man and admit about all these lies you putting out here. You know, you just a pussyfied, man. You pussyfied. You're a pussyfied little gummy bear. That's what I'm saying. You Joey the Rat gummy bear. Sneeze. You loser. Get the F out of here, pussy boy.